Hey guys, let's talk about the Tapo Indoor Camera Installation. Here I have the Tapo C100. It comes with accessories. Here you can see a template and also anchors and screws, a quick start guide, a power supply, and some tools that I can use, like this one, for example, is a Phillips screwdriver, or this one as well. So super simple. You just need to use the template, go there and drill the holes, install the screws, and then you can just put the camera in place and it's done. Super simple. Let me just show here the camera has this base that's a movable base. So basically what you can do is just install the camera in its place, and then you can move up and down and then adjust the position. Okay, so super simple. Here on the back you see that I have the location for the screws. So you're gonna put onto a wall, and then the screws you do like this, right? Then you have one here, and I'm just get another one, and the other one here. It slides into place, and then the camera, it's there, secure and ready to go. So one thing that you can do as well before installing your camera is just insert an SD card. As you can see, I have one just right here. Yeah, the camera doesn't come with the SD card, it needs to install one. You need to push, and then the SD card is gonna release like this, right? You see, that's the correct position. Just facing here the front of the camera, put it here. Just use your fingernails to push into place. There we go. And also connect to the power supply, and you can set up the camera before installing the camera. It's easier like this. And later you can do some remote adjustment, but at first you can just connect the cable here. You see they have one single location to connect the cable. There's no way to connect it wrong. Connect this to an outlet. Let me just connect it here. Then you're gonna see the LED here flashing red and green. Then the camera is ready for the setup, right? In my case, I already have the camera working, so I'm gonna see only a green LED here. So I just need to get some paper clip to reset the camera. Let me just do this. So here I have a paper clip. As you can see, the camera is with the LED green. So I'm gonna reset it, okay? So if that's your case, you're reinstalling your camera or something, or the LED is not flashing red and green, you just use a paper clip, insert here in the reset button, and just observe the LED or the camera message. The camera talks to you. Let me just reset here. So I'm gonna click and hold.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
You see, it talks to you and also flashes here pretty quick. Now you just need to wait for the camera to boot up and show the LED here red and green. Super simple. There we go. It's flashing right now, red and green. And you need your cell phone, okay? So let me just grab my cell phone here, because you need the Tapo app to make it work. So there we go. Here just need to use the Tapo app. You can look for this app on the App Store if you don't have it yet, or Android Store if you're using an Android. Here you look for Tapo, and make sure that you get this one, which is the TP-Link Tapo, okay? I already have it here, so I just open it up. And the first time that you do this, you need to create an account with Tapo, and then you log into your account, all right? And you saw that I had this before. The Tapo C100 was here before, and it just disappeared, right? Because I reset the camera. So after resetting the camera, or you unbox the camera, has a working like this, flashing red and green. Just need to log into your Tapo app and come here to add a new device. There we go, here in the top, add a device, and you're going to select your camera. In this case, an indoor camera, and look for Tapo C100. Here's asking to confirm. It's flashing red and green. Let's just take a look again. It's still flashing red and green. So I'm good to go. I just tap here, already red and green. And now it's time to look for the camera's signal. I'm not talking about the Wi-Fi, your router signal, right? All right, it's just the camera signal. Later, you're going to connect to the Wi-Fi, but now just come here to your Wi-Fi and change to the camera's Wi-Fi. So here I have Tapo Cam. Oops, let's just connect to another one. It keeps changing position. There we go. Now I connect to the correct one. Wait for it to become blue. Then you can come back to the app and continue, right? You see there's a nice animation here. Found it. Now just wait. And now you can select the Wi-Fi that you want to use, okay? Just hit here, reselect, and see a list of a Wi-Fi. Let me just click here. See that I have different Wi-Fis, and I just hit one here. And then I enter the password. In this case, I have a password for testing here, temp pass. I'm gonna use this one. And just hit next. Confirm the password.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
There we go. Now you just need to name your camera. I will name it Tapo C100. Next step, just select the location. You can select, let's say, office, just an example. Hit next. Select an icon for your camera. And wait again. There we go. It's complete. Sounds good. And now it offers you to have the Tapo Care Cloud services if you want to. You have 30 days to test this, so it's a trial. But if you don't want this right now, just dismiss. Here it's talking about the SD card. It's important to have the SD card. You see here's a class 10 micro SD card or higher. That's the speed of the SD card. And then 8 gig to 512 gigabytes. That's the capacity. I already have the card there, so I hit here, got it. And here, firmware update. The camera is going to update itself from 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. I just hit here, got it. And the camera shows up here. So it should be working. I'll just move the camera here to take a look. There we go. We tap here and there we go. Back there working and has audio as well. Let me just move something in front of the camera here so you see this working pretty fine. And also it's important to check the recordings. Okay, so I have the SD card there, so I need to come here to settings and storage and recording. Here I see local storage. Then I have my SD card, it's looking good. There we go, the capacity of the SD card. I can even come here and format the SD card. Usually I just do this the first time that I install an SD card. You see that goes to 5%, 65, 100%, so it's working. Then you just come back. Make sure that you have the schedule that you want. In this case, it comes with the default schedule to record every single day, every single hour by motion detection, okay? You can change here if you want to. Let's say you want to record continuous. At this time, you just come here, edit, and select and paint. And you're now recording continuously at this time. If you don't want to record somewhere, you just need to paint like this in white, okay? In this case, I'm not gonna save it because I want to record by motion every single day, every single hour. So basically recording, and then I record sound as well. The camera has a microphone, so it's good to leave like this. Come back here and also check the detection, okay? So here I have the area that I can select. I'm using the entire area for motion detection. It's enabled here for person detection. You see, I can adjust the sensitivity. It's the same for motion. So you can, motion is like for everything that moves, like a car, for example, an animal, right? And person is specifically to person. Then I also have camera tampering. So basically, if somebody blocks the camera, put something in front of the camera is going to trigger the recording and also can send you a message, right? Let me just enable this one. And here baby crying. If you want to enable this feature here, a baby cries close to the camera and the camera detects the sound and lets you know by sending you a message, right? There we go. Notification on. It comes by default on as well. And you can just select here which type that you want to receive notification, motion detection, person, camera, tempering, or baby crying, okay? So super simple, and it's basically working. And something important as well, if you, for example, are not receiving notification, you just need to check here on your configuration in the settings, come down, look here on apps, look for the Tapo. There we go. And check here notifications. Make sure that's on and you're good to go. And also if you are using here, like say, do not disturb mode, it's not gonna notify you as well, right? So just change here to a different mode that's going to work. So super simple. And there you have it, right? You just need to set up your camera and go there, install your camera onto a wall, and you have it working. So that's the way you can install a Tapo indoor camera and have it working. I hope you liked this video. Please leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video.